Ujjire, a small village, was with hardly 100 residences in 1960s. But today, it has become one of the most important centers of education, marking an indelible impression in the educational map of India. It is taking the shape of a tiny town. With state-of-art infrastructures and all the basic amenities, the locale is standing testimonial for the potentials of rural India. The seed of this evolution dates back to 1966 with the inception of Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College. Since then, Ujjire is setting new benchmarks in the field of education. The growth of Indian economy and society is possible only with the empowerment through education, especially in rural India. This ideal was realized by the visionary late Shri D. Ratnavarma Hegde, the then Dharmadhikari of Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala, by establishing the institution of higher education against the lush green foliage at the foothills of the Western Ghats at Ujjire. Dharmasthala is specially known for its 4 types of Dana Parampara: Annadana, food to all; Abhayadana, giving succor; Aushadadana, medicine and medication; and Vidyadana, education. Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, Dharmadhikari of Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala, is a man of outstanding credentials. His contribution to the social transformation is well received. He has given a different dimension to the Dana tradition of Dharmasthala by ameliorating the best from all the walks of life. His contribution to the Vidyadana is seen an institutional structure with the establishment of SDM Educational Trust and SDM Educational Society. Today, more than 40 educational institutions are serving Vidyadana under this society. Dr. Hegde has been instrumental in uplifting the educational standards throughout Karnataka, providing education to all sections of the society on almost all disciplines such as engineering and technology, different streams of medicine and paramedicine, management, law, and general education. SDM College is one among this bunch of institutions. Today, almost all the institutions established by SDM Educational Society stand tall in educational spheres in India with its quality education. SDM College has created an indelible mark for academic excellence in imparting quality higher education in rural location. The Green Campus, Wi-Fi networked UG and PG departments, central library with digital access, well-equipped laboratories, indoor and outdoor stadiums, multi-facility center, EduSat, interactive terminal, video conferring facility, student retiring rooms, free hostel, Siddhavana Gurukula, ladies' hostels, well-furnished classrooms and EV rooms have built a learning ambience for the students, staff and researchers. SDM College was recognized by the UGC as College with Potential for Excellence CPE for 2 phases. Federation of Jain Education Institution bestowed the Best College Award in 2005. NAC, the premier institution for assessment and accreditation of higher education institutions in India, accredited the college at A grade with CGPA of 3.59 out of 4 in 2010. Government of Karnataka presented the prestigious the Biodiversity Award of the Department of Science and Technology. Added to the recognitions and achievements, considering its inner potential, the college is now given the academic autonomy and it is now extended for the 2nd term after the review report of the 1st term. SDM College offers Bachelor degree in Arts, Science and Commerce stream. Under the Bachelor of Arts stream, students may opt any 3 subjects out of History, Economics and Rural Development, English, Kannada, Sanskrit, Political Science, Journalism and Psychology, leading to 36 combination options. Undergraduate course in Commerce provides specialization in Human Resource Management, Business Management and Taxation. The science of stream provides bunch of options from traditional to the modern subjects with biotechnology, botany, chemistry, computer science, home science, mathematics, physics, psychology, and statistics, leading to 7 combination options in BSc. Bachelor courses are also offered in business management and computer application. Under the master's degree, the college provides 7 programs: MSc in Biotechnology, MCom in Insurance and Banking, Mass Communication and Journalism, Medicinal Chemistry, Masters in Social Work, MSc in Physics, and MSc in Psychology. With 21 faculty members with doctorate, 17 faculty members with MPhil, the college research programs are conducted under the affiliation to Kannada University Hampi, Tumkur University and Mangalore University. At present, the college carries out research activities under Hamana Research Center. SDM is well known for its student supportive activities. Each and every department in the college strives hard for inculcating values in education. As a result, it has introduced a series of student supportive activities such as seminars, fests, guest lectures, skill development workshops, practical visits, compulsory research projects, placement training and counseling for experiential learning. The college is gifted with very talented students who have flown the flag of the college in the national and international events in curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular, and extension activities including sports, games, NCC, NSS, Rovers, and Rangers. Under the able leadership of Dr. B. Yashovarma as the principal, the college is heading towards scaling the higher heights. The visionary management, dedicated faculty, proud alumni, studious learning fraternities have earned a unique identity to SDM College in the society. With all these benchmarks, SDM College is marching towards excellence, and the journey continues.